The law of wealth is to increase your assets to the level where your wealth outweighs your liability. Now, think about your 5 year, your 10 years. What sort of wealth do you need for you to be able to create a sustainable lifestyle? The more you grow your assets, the more you grow your wealth, and having the capacity to reduce or minimize your liabilities, the greater and the more flexible you can move around. Now, think about it this way. If you're in a position where you've got a significant amount of wealth, it gives you the flexibility to be able to decide in terms of what you want to do, where you want to go, where you want to be, what sort of work you want to work into, and in terms of where you want to place yourself. So the law of wealth is to consistently work out ways on how you can minimize your liabilities and keep increasing your assets. Not only do you want to do that, you also want to do it in a way where it gives you that flexibility, that capability to be able to pass on that wealth to the next generation. So you're not just only thinking about yourself right now, you're also thinking about the next generation that will come. Now, how do you go about creating such amounts of wealth for the next generation? Well, you got to have a plan, you got to have strategies in place. You got to start thinking about, okay, what sort of measures do I need to take now? What sort of actions do I need to take now that can set me up for a better, a brighter future? Not just only me, but also that can set my kids' kids for a better, brighter future. As we all know, Proverbs 13 verse 22 states, a good person leaves inheritance for his children. So what measures do you have to take right now? You don't have to go, okay, how can I make billions and billions and billions? But what I intend to see a lot is, a lot of the time we create wealth and we dramatically increase our spending. Work out ways on how you can keep your expenses low, even while you keep going up and keep building your wealth from 100,000, 200,000, whatever the case might be, but still keep your expenses low. That's a massive, amazing way you can go about building wealth that can last in your lifetime and last for the next generation. So I invite you guys, take these basic steps today on how you can go about keeping your expenses low and automatically multiplying your wealth. Take this action today, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.